Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in insulation spray foam technology, the Vega Bond 12-pack insulation spray foam, 29 ounces each. If you're looking for a top-tier solution for thermal and sound insulation, this product deserves your attention. The Vega Bond spray foam insulation is a cutting-edge polyurethane-based formula engineered for exceptional performance in both heat and sound insulation. Whether you're insulating a residential building, commercial space, or even vehicles, this spray foam offers a seamless and monolithic application that eliminates the common problems of seams, gaps, and thermal bridges found in traditional insulation materials. One of the standout features of this spray foam is its impressive coverage. Each 29-ounce can delivers up to 20 board feet of insulation at just a 1-inch thickness. This means you can cover larger areas efficiently, saving you time and money on your insulation projects. The foam expands and adheres to a variety of surfaces, including structural building elements, vehicle bodies, and even marine vessels, making it a versatile choice for many different insulation needs. Thermal performance is a key strength of the Vega Bond spray foam, boasting an R value of approximately 5.66 per inch, which is well above many conventional insulation materials like EPS boards or fiberglass. This high R value ensures excellent resistance to heat flow, keeping interiors warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Along with thermal insulation, the dense structure of the foam also acts as an effective barrier against moisture, air infiltration, and pests, adding to the durability and longevity of your insulated space. Beyond insulation, the foam offers soundproofing benefits as well. The seamless nature of the application helps reduce noise transmission, making it ideal for areas where both thermal comfort and acoustic control are important. The application process is straightforward, suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The spray foam's formula allows it to expand smoothly on uneven or hard-to-reach surfaces, ensuring full coverage without the hassle of cutting or fitting insulation panels. Once cured, it can be trimmed, sanded, or even painted to match your desired aesthetic, adding to its practicality. Safety has not been overlooked with this product. It carries a Class A fire rating, meaning it meets stringent fire resistance standards. This feature provides peace of mind when using it in residential, commercial, or industrial settings. In addition to the spray foam itself, the kit often includes specialized cleaning solutions designed to keep your application tools in optimal condition by dissolving uncured foam residue. This makes maintenance easier and helps maintain a clean work environment during your project. Overall, the Vega Bond 12-pack insulation spray foam 29 ounces is a premium choice for anyone seeking efficient, reliable, and versatile insulation. It outperforms many traditional materials while being easy to apply, safe, and adaptable to a wide range of uses. If you want to enhance your space's energy efficiency and sound insulation with a product that delivers professional results, this spray foam kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.